We had a week-long heat delay. Being as it was so hot, we just did not come out here and do any work. But yesterday was a beautiful day. The temperature was cool and we were able to get a lot of work done. Son-in-law came over and he helped out. He helped out getting the stubborn stump out of the ground. That took about an hour while I was chipping away at a wall so I could continue the block wall. After that was done, it was pretty much smooth sailing. We worked on wall number 3 and 4, and from here you can see just how far we got. It was about 5 hours worth of work, and after the 5 hours my back said enough's enough, so we just called it. And it's supposed to be cool all next week, so I'm hoping that I can get perhaps even the rest of this done. Son-in-law also brought me down more blocks, as you can see, for me to finish the wall over here. I figured roughly 30 some blocks, and we'll have that section taken care of. And then we can call for another truckload of dirt. So I'm going down and show you what we did accomplish and what it looks like. We are starting to see a lot of progress now, and we believe it looks pretty darn good. I was going to do the toppers today, but we will delay on that because of the threatening of rain, and I don't want the rain to ruin the glue. Whether it would or not, I don't know. But we'll hold off on that. There's really no hurry for that. This is the stubborn stump that I was talking about, taking just about an hour to get this out of the ground. It just did not want to budge. Did a lot of digging, cutting, hacking, banging, and finally it gave loose. And there it is. And from this point of view, you can see that we are coming along. You could even say we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I still have this wall to do, but that shouldn't be too hard. And then of course I still have the rest of the wall steps, or step wall, whatever you want to call it. And that shouldn't be too difficult either. We did get quite a bit of rain last night apparently. Didn't do too much damage to this bottom row. A little bit of damage here, but well expected. I still have a little bit of dirt that I can push over and fill in. But the big one is here. We got more damage. Well, I won't call it damage. Settling. And actually it is doing exactly what I had thought it would do. The Grand Canyon over there is getting deeper. I'm hoping that it is filling in all the little gaps.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.